Well, if this is not something. Tuck swarm traps down a couple of days ago. I took the ones that were full and dropped them off at the out yard where I dropped swarms off. And these were empty boxes. Looks like I've had somebody move in since they've been sitting here at the house. Because I am here at the house. So if we were working in the workshop, I just happened to look over at the truck and I saw a bunch of bees flying around. I thought, what the heck are they doing over here? Let's see what we got. Well, we got a little cluster of bees. Already drawn some, got some comb drawn. Wow, look at that. Can't tell if we got a queen. Don't see any eggs. Obviously the way it was leaning in the... Ah, there's a bunch of eggs in each cell. Got a bunch of bees over here on the sidewall too. I mean, this didn't even have any comb in it to even attract them. And there goes a small hive beetle. Was a hive beetle. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I don't see a queen. Some kind of weird bug in the box. Ain't that something? They're peaceful. I'm sitting here without anything on. Tell me let a queenless swarm move in. And drew a little bit of comb and already got a land worker. Don't blow on the bees, you'll piss them off and they'll sting you. Myth. Well, ain't that something? Never know what you're gonna find. Box has probably been out here, I don't know, about a week. There's, well, once you get down here at the bottom, there's one egg per cell. Hopefully I didn't just kill her or lose her somewhere, because I just came back from the post office a little while ago in this truck. Oh well. Put it back in here and see what happens. Like I said, I just came back from the post office. Oh shit. Now I'm the foul-mouthed beekeeper. Oh well. Never know what you'll find. I'm gonna leave them back here and then come back in a couple of days and see what we got. See if I can actually find a queen.